Meaning of HHS.
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 HHS. HHS is an acronym that stands for Department of Health and Human Services, a department of the United States federal government responsible for protecting the health of all Americans and providing essential human services, especially for those who are least able to help themselves. HHS oversees a broad range of healthcare-related programs and initiatives, including medical research, disease prevention and control, drug and food safety, healthcare access and coverage, mental health services, and many others. Overall, HHS plays a critical role in promoting and maintaining the health and well-being of individuals and communities across the United States.